Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential functions. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? And this is a function table given. X is starting from 0 to 4, and f of x is 3, 6, 12, 24, and 48. So this is an exponential function problem, as we said already. And this in this table is given, and we're just going to analyze it. Whether we're going to determine whether the function shows exponential growth or decay. The values in the table are: at x equals 0, f of x is 3. So x equals 0, then f of x equals 3. And x equals 1, f of x equals 6. And at x equals 2, f of x equals 12. At x equals 3, f of x is given as 24, and x equals 4. F of x is given as 48. First, let's understand, let's understand the basic characteristics of exponential functions. If b is greater than 1, then the function demonstrates exponential growth. If b is greater than 1, the function will demonstrate growth. So, because the value of f of x increases as x increases. Let me write this part in a different color. If 0 less than b less than 1, then the function shows exponential decay. So with f of x decreasing, because this is as x increases, f of x will be decreasing in this brackets. Good morning, my son. So now let's analyze our table. As x increases, the value of f of x is also increasing. And so as you can see, this is the pattern of doubling, means our b value is greater than 1. So b must be greater than 1. So we can go ahead and eliminate the choice A and D. And also, specifically, it seems like b might be equal to something else, like greater than 1, even might be 2, or you can give it a try. So, and when you look at our options, in the choice B states that f demonstrates exponential growth because a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 1. Since a is initially 3 and positive, b is calculated as 2, so this can be the correct answer when you look at it, because the growth will be a will be greater than 0 and b is gonna be greater than 1. Because of that, you can also say the choice will be A. So our answers will be choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.